Holy moly, this thing broke and now I have glitter everywhere. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lucie and I want to welcome you to our channel psychoDOLLogist, where we do and talk all things dolls. If you're a new doll around here, then welcome.
Want subtitles? Get auto subs and translations by clicking on the CC button in your player.
We're gonna get into today's video very soon, but first let me explain why I'm wearing panda ears today. Well, that's because when I was preparing content for today's video, I noticed that there's gonna be a little panda included. And I was like, wait a minute, I have these panda ears from Japan, from Tokyo. We got it at a maid cafe when my husband and I visited Japan 4 years ago, and we have such great memories from that trip and that evening too. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wear those ears for today's video. Why not? We're going to open two extra dolls, 19 and 18. I love them so much. I had 18 for a few months now. I think I got it for Christmas, and 19 I ordered like 2 months ago. So I've had them for quite a while, but I was saving them so that we can pack them together. We have a lot to do. Let's get into it.
Look at this baby, she's so cute. Her face is so pretty and cute. She kind of looks like a kitten to me. I don't know what it is. And then these shoes, I believe that's the first time I'm seeing these shoes. I mean this mold. And number 19, here's the panda. Here's the reason why I'm wearing panda ears today. Yep, look at her. She was designed by Carlisle Noera, and I believe this is my favorite Barbie extra doll. These are definitely my favorite Barbie shoes. So in full transparency, I was doing a photo shoot in our extra room, and this is how it looks right now. Yeah, that's not good enough for the channel right now. We gotta clean it up. Wanna help me clean? Yay! Thank you for helping a girl out. It's time to unpack our girl number 18. Ooh, that's messy, but I gave up trying to unpack Barbies in an elegant way, so yeah, that's what it is. Holy moly, this thing broke and now I have glitter everywhere. Thank you. I always try to separate paper from plastic so that I can recycle effectively. So, if you didn't know up till now, our channel name psychoDOLLogist is a mix of words psychologist and doll, psychoDOLLogist. So that's because I'm a psychologist, my husband's a coach, and we both love dolls. Well, maybe I love them a little bit more, but my husband's cutting all these videos. So that's why we are called the way we are. Fun fact, the other day Claudina9 complimented us on our name on Instagram, so that really made my evening. And now the time has come to unpack the coolest extra doll ever. Actually, you guys, I don't know. I can't decide if she's my favorite extra or the first one. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer. Oh no, these extras have new packaging and I don't know what I'm doing. Because obviously I don't want to mess up the illustration, the photo. But look, it's kind of messed up anyway because the plastic goes like inside her neck. So it's not like I'm gonna be able to preserve it perfectly anyway. But what am I doing? What am I doing here? I just had an idea. So the packaging is so complex. I'm like, there is no way this is effective, like cost effective or time effective or any of that. So I'm thinking, what if they do this complex packaging on purpose so that children unpack the doll for as long as possible, and throughout this unpacking process, you know, they're getting the hormones of, oh, I can't wait to get to the doll, can't wait to actually hold her in my hands, you know. And the more positive hormones kids can get while unpacking this, then the better they feel about the doll after, and the more dolls they might actually want later. So I'm just thinking, what if it's a psychological trick? Because it doesn't make a lot of sense to me, I'll be honest. I know obviously they don't want people to steal dolls in the shops, but you know, still. I don't know what else to say, guys, than this girl is insane. Insanely amazing. I'm completely in love with her. However, yes, she needs some hair fixing, obviously. So we're gonna take a closer look at her after. This bag reminds me of our mosquito Barbie's dress, right? So I thought we could open up another mini brands ball, but I was like, hey, it's kind of a lot of unboxing today. So how about I just show you this thingy that I got previously and what was inside. So this is the Gold Rush Collection collector's case. And this is my first collector's case from the mini brands. This is what can be included. I was most excited about this pack, but I didn't get it in this one, but I did get it in a future ball. Do you also ever keep your dolls in boxes for like months before you open them? Let us know in the comments and let us know about the reason. Sometimes I do that because I really love the boxes, I like how the doll looks in it, and I just want to keep looking at it for a few weeks more before I bring the box.
Here's the doll's hair from behind. It looks a bit crazy and big like this, but so you can see if you brush this doll's hair, it's gonna become much less compact and more frizzy. So you need to think for yourself what style you like better. This is her good angle. Let's do the final review. So my favorite thing about this girl is definitely her hair color, the socks and shoes, and then the motivational text on her clothes, be the boss. And then over here, born to lead. Yes! Slay girl, slay! I also love her lilac eyebrows, and if there is one thing I would improve, then I guess that's the hair texture. I just wish it would be a bit more regular throughout all of the hair, but I guess it's difficult to do. And this is the hair from behind. I didn't even wash it, I just brushed it. And then I used a special little thing, and you would not even believe what it was. So I'm not gonna share that today because today's video is not about restoration tips. So if you wanna know, you're gonna have to subscribe because I'm gonna reveal it in some future video. Time for the final review. Okay, my favorite things about this doll are her boots. These are some of the best boots ever, possibly the best ones I've ever seen Mattel make. I freaking love her face. I love the hair colors mixed together. Very black pink, right? I mean, this doll is just perfect to me. Which brings me to what would I improve? And the answer is absolutely nothing. This girl is pure perfection. The only thing they could improve at Mattel's is, hey, just create more dolls exactly like this. I love the Harajuku style. She really looks like she just got to her apartment in Tokyo. I love her. And now let's take a look at the girls in our Barbie EXTRA Vanity Playset. What a great squad. This is the girl that came with the playset, and you guys really liked how her hair turned out, so I'm gonna show you here how I did it. Now this girl got an entire YouTube video for herself because we gave her a full makeover. So if you guys are interested in my hair tips and tricks, her video is definitely the one to watch. We asked you guys to help us with her name. You gave us like 20 tips. And the winning submission was Prisma. How cool. Fits her hair perfectly. So make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook because that's where all this magic happens. Now this fashionista girl you might know from our short video where we actually go to the shop and we pick this girl and I take you through the entire process of unpacking her and fixing her up. So make sure you check out our short videos because a lot of that content never gets into these big videos. Here's the squad. My favorite thing about this guy is the bamboo on his guitar. I mean, details matter, you guys. And you're gonna meet a lot of people in your life that are gonna tell you that details don't matter. Well, run away from those people. They're lying. The egg over here is funny. But then what's the lilac thing on the toast? Is that like blueberry jam? What is that? Let me know in the comments your guess. I hope you dolls liked today's video and you're gonna subscribe. In one of the future videos, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pimp this extra room, just add more things, make it cuter, and we're gonna maybe add another girl or two, because I'll be honest, I have 3 more boxed Barbie extras to unpack.
Alright dolls, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll subscribe. And if you have some cool ideas about what you'd like to see next on this channel, let us know in the comments your video tips. And I do believe, in fact, that you would really like to watch this video next. So I'll see you there.